You need to make a list of 25 accomplishments. What are 25 things you've accomplished in your life? And I know you're going to say, Jen, I have not accomplished 25 things. And the truth is, you've accomplished 1,000 plus things. You just don't remember. Accomplishments don't have to be that you won the Nobel Peace Prize. Accomplishments don't have to be that you did something so extravagant. You climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. Yeah, those are accomplishments, but that's not it. An accomplishment could be that last year you asked your boss for a raise and you got it. It could be that you are working on paying off your credit card debt and you are 2/3 of the way done. It could be that you decided for one whole week you weren't going to be late to work and you weren't. You define accomplishment. 25. Because you want to know why? You're talking about personal brand and value, but you have no idea what your value is until you've looked at everything you've accomplished. Take inventory on your life. And then, I want you to put on your calendar. Any of you use like a calendar on your phone? Good. You're going to put a recurring meeting. The meeting is between you and you. This is a recurring meeting once a quarter called inventory. And you're going to sit down with yourself and you're going to add to the list. Because never again in your life are you going to go years without looking at what you've accomplished. Now here's the other thing. Any of you ever feel like an imposter? I don't see enough hands up, so the rest of you are just lying. This is a list you're going to photocopy and carry in your wallet. And before you walk into important situations, you're going to go to the bathroom, lock the door, pull out the list, and read it to yourself. You will never have imposter syndrome again. When you have imposter syndrome, it's because in that moment you've forgotten how wonderful you are. Now you can't. Now you have a list. You're lucky I'm not saying make it a temporary tattoo and tattoo it on your stomach. We're not there yet.